Welcome. Today's video is a follow-up on a video I made a while back. In that video, I showed you how I made these lightweight balances. They're made from foam board, taped together, and then covered with fabric. The fabric is held on with these pins. That makes it easy to change them out seasonal, or change them out with when you change your decor. This fabric right here is just an old curtain. Today I would like to show you how I hang these. You don't have to use anchors. All you need is a screw or a nail. This is a 2.5 inch screw directly into the drywall at an angle, so it gives it a little bit more stability. When hanging, you want to make sure that your screws or nails are level, so you can use a level for that, or if you're good, you can just eyeball it. But it needs to be on the edge. The edges are supported. On this particular valance, as you can see, that one end is wider than the other, so the supports will not be level. Here's one I left hanging. It's very light. Just take it down and I'll show you how I hung it. You can see that the wind is weird. But here's a close view of the nails that I used. It's just directly into the drywall at a slight angle. You see I can easily just pull it out of the drywall and put it back in just as easy. No anchors needed. If you're interested in making this valance for yourself, I'll leave a link below to the full video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.